Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the sign in error on Microsoft 365. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure that you are entering the correct email address for your Microsoft account. Sometimes the issue happens because of a small typo in the email address. If you are sure that the email is correct, the next step is to clear your browser data. If you are using Google Chrome or any other browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, go to History, and then click History again. Inside the History page, click on Delete Browsing Data. After that, a window will pop. Here, select the time range to All Time. Now select all the options such as Cache, Cookies, and Saved Passwords, and then click Delete Data. Keep in mind that clearing this data will remove saved passwords and cookies from the browser, so make sure nothing important will be lost before doing this. Once the data is cleared, close the browser and restart it. After restarting the browser, try signing into your Microsoft 365 account again and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to remove stored Microsoft credentials from your computer. On your Windows computer, go to the search bar and type Credential Manager. When you see the app called Credential Manager, open it. Inside Credential Manager, click on Windows Credentials. Now look for any entries related to your Microsoft account or Microsoft services. When you find one, click on it, and you will see two options, Edit and Remove. Click Remove to delete the stored credential. After removing the credential, restart your laptop or PC. Once the system starts again, try logging into Microsoft 365. In most cases, this should fix the sign-in error, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the sign-in error on Microsoft 365. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.